Hello everyone. Today we'll try to understand PubMed. What is PubMed? Why we use PubMed? And in this video presentation, I'm going to give you some of the introductory points regarding PubMed. And then I'll also follow up with one tutorial, hands-on tutorial, and show you what are the options available, how I use PubMed in my literature search, in my review article writing, research paper writing, how I download citations, all those things I can discuss with you. But first we need to understand what PubMed is, what are the fundamental features, what is the importance of PubMed. Right, so we'll just start with the presentation and then we'll follow with the hands-on tutorial. So slide one, let's move to the slide one, which says PubMed is basically its vital source for biomedical research data. If you're working in the area of biomedical sciences, life sciences, PubMed is it's a vital resource for you to dig out the information in that area. Next is, it is really important for any researcher who is working in the healthcare related topics to use PubMed to find out if there is any work that has been done in that area. The next point I would like to share that PubMed is a very valuable or indispensable resource. It provides you an extensive collection of biomedical literature that is crucial for researchers and healthcare professionals. So if you're working in the area of life sciences, again, I'm stressing it out, that PubMed is really important for you. And then if we talk about the development, PubMed is developed by NCBI, which is National Center for Biotechnology Information. It's a database that has a lot of information related to biomedical research. Next is it has a lot of information on scientific publications, and you can get access to that publication free of charge. So it's publicly available. Moving next, PubMed provides you access to diverse range of biomedical literature. That is the core mission of PubMed, and it is especially dedicated to accessibility, comprehensiveness, and quality. That is very important part of the PubMed database. And you will get latest information and highly reliable information. Although, whenever you create a database, you can't control the quality of the research data that is there, right? But overall, PubMed ensures the data is peer reviewed. All the journals that are in the PubMed, they are gone through the rigorous peer review processes. All those things, they are ensured. So whatever data you are getting inside the PubMed, that is highly reliable, and it's very important information in the biomedical field. Moving next is the publications. What you can get in PubMed is research articles. So if it is not clear, then we can also discuss what is a research article in the upcoming videos. Please just write the comment on that. You can also have journals, reviews, and many more type of articles that you can find on PubMed. Many are free, many are not free. It depends upon the accessibility of those papers. But PubMed provides you a lot of information regarding those the journals and regarding those papers. Now moving further, understanding and using PubMed is a basic fundamental skill. Everyone should know how to use PubMed, how you can make best use of PubMed in your research work. You can apply Boolean operators, you can apply quotation marks, and how you can narrow down the research in the PubMed, how you can narrow down the articles that you want to find out in PubMed is also very important for research accuracy and efficiency. Moving next, we have filters also. In PubMed, you can use filters, and you need to know what is the best way to use those filters, and we can explore how we can use filters and then advanced search options in PubMed. That is another part that I would like to cover in my hands-on tutorial. Moving next, once you have conducted your research, what you can get as result page, and how you can read the result page, how you can export the results, how you can download the results, all those things we'll cover in this. And you will learn how to refine your results also, and also how you can export the citations for your research purposes also. Next, creating My NCBI account allows you to personalize your PubMed experience. So if you have an account in NCBI, it will be more specific to the search that you do, because biomedical literature is going to be huge. You don't want to go into that. You need to have a domain so that you can create your own domain in PubMed. And in My NCBI account allows you to have your personalized experience in PubMed. Now, this can streamline your PubMed usage and also maximize your effectiveness. Next is PubMed is very essential. It's essential for many users, and you can also use PubMed mobile app. You can download PubMed mobile app, and it will be very easy for you to every time if you want to check it out. Then you can use your phone and download the articles if they are available, and you can also follow the instructions that is also provided in the application. Next is PubMed is being used by researchers for literature reviews. If you want to write a literature review, if you want to write review articles, you can use PubMed. It is highly useful. You can also do evidence-based practice. You can make informed decisions in the field of biomedical research because you will get latest data from PubMed. Moving further, PubMed is significantly impacting healthcare area, and healthcare professionals, they rely on PubMed for various articles, latest research, and it is one of the most important database that people use. So next, in conclusion, I just want to mention a few points. PubMed is, as I've told already, that PubMed is indispensable resource for the biomedical research work, and everyone in the area of biomedical research is using PubMed. And if you want to do research in biomedical area or biomedical sciences, then please learn how to use PubMed effectively. There are so many videos already available, and all the research, they basically self-learn the PubMed, and those videos, obviously those tutorials, will help you to understand PubMed, and this one will also definitely help you how to use PubMed. I really hope that this presentation gave you the introductory idea about the presentation and what is the significance of the PubMed, and hopefully you are now motivated to learn how we can use PubMed. So why don't we just directly jump onto the hands-on tutorial and learn how we can use the PubMed. Alright, so we are here. How you can visit this page: you need to go to Google and type, or any other search engine that you're using. You just type PubMed and click on the website link provided, and you will have this website open. Another way is you can just type pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. You will be directed to this website, and this is an official website of United States government. So this is one of the most reliable resources on biomedical data, and you will see NIH logo over here, National Institute of Health, and it's the PubMed is the part of National Library of Medicine, right? What you'll see is the layout like this. You will see a search tab, and you will see the option of search over here, right? And here what you can do is, if you have no idea how to use it, you just type the name of the area that you want to find articles in. For example, I work in the area of antibiotic resistance, so I can just type this one and I'll do the search, and what will happen that immediately I'll get this result section out. We'll talk about this result section and how it is organized, but before that I do want to show you some of the other options. But initially, this is what you can do, and these are all articles, different types of articles, and then you can apply all these filters to refine the result section, right? I'll just go one step back, and I'll just scroll down a little bit over here, and you can see over here you can get the user guide, so that will help you to understand how you can use PubMed. You can also understand and use advanced search over here, or clinical queries if you're interested. And then there are other options that are available in PubMed. Another important information is that regularly you can follow is trending articles, the articles that are getting lots of hits, and then latest literature in the area of life sciences or biomedical research. And you can see all these journals, they are highly reputed journals. Nature is there, PLOS is there, PNAS is there, Blood, Cell, all these articles, all these journals are there, and most of the highly cited journals, they are mentioned over here. And then you can just click on this one and find out what are the articles that they are referring to. You can read them, and that will help you to understand better about the latest about the biomedical research area, right? Now moving on to the step that I've done before, you can also directly go to that tab by clicking on the advanced. So when you do the advanced search, you will get additional options over here. You can do all field search. You can also specify specific fields. So you have options like all fields, author, corporate, first, last, and book, and all these fields you can select, and based on that, ISBN number, you can also use. There are so many options that PubMed provides you, right? You can type affiliation, and you can get all the articles related to that particular affiliation. If you talk about, you can basically do author search, and if I type my name, so all the publications, or you can write last name first, and then the first name. That can also work. So this got added over here. So anything that is related to this will be highlighted. So you can see, you can do author search. You can even type this command directly, where in bracket you can put author, and then you can do the search, and it will be author based search. In the same way, you can do a lot of other searches, and you can see, because I work in the area of biomedical research and the life sciences, right? So you can see a lot of articles. For example, the first article that is there is on matrix mineral proteases. Another one is on pancreatic cancer, biofilm inhibition, and you can see a lot of articles are there, and you will find 39 results. If you want to see more results, you can click on the show icon, and then page 2 will be opened up. You can also control how many search results you want to see, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good search layout, where you can see all these things. And at the same time, what you can do is, let's talk about a few of the other options that are provided over here. You have this user guide that you want to follow if you are stuck somewhere. You can So first what I've done is I've done the author search over here. Now I want to save this, right? So if I click on save, what will happen that all display results, they will be saved. If I want to change it to all results, so all the results that were shown will be saved. And what kind of format you want? You want to have the format for PubMed, you want PubMed ID, or just a CSV file. So what I do is usually you can download the CSV file, and if you click on this one, immediately one file will be saved. If I click on that file and I open that file, you can directly see based on the author names, you can all the names where you got Kumar L, the papers they got or the citations they got downloaded, and then you can filter it out. It seems like there are some drawbacks also, because this is not my paper. So this can also happen. You have to refine this, right? You have to read this and you can refine it. But in the one step, you got all the citations, and that is pretty convenient. Now, another thing you can do is you can email this, right? You can just email, you can put the email ID and you can send the email, and it is also very, very convenient if you want to send a specific information to the specific email ID. Now, you can also do filter. Here you can narrow down the research area, not area, but you can narrow down the research year over here. So by just dragging it to this side, you can just narrow down to this, or directly you can click on, if you want to get the information for the last 1 year, you want to get the information for last 5 years, you can also get that, right? So filter applied. So all these filters you can apply. Now I don't want to use that filters, but there are additional filters that are also available. Look at this. So you can also customize the filter based on address, autobiography. I don't know. It's up to your preferences. If you want to use all those things, then you can do the filter species based also. Like you want to get the data on humans, article languages also, article, what is the gender, what is the age, and so many other factors you can control. But basically, what you're going to do is you will be selecting either, maybe if you want to get the abstract, right? So if I click on the abstract, immediately I can, filter out where the abstract is available. If I want to just click on the full text, so I can also get all the articles that where the full text is available. This is also right. So free full text is available. Full text is available. So you can just click on those. You will only be seeing those articles where the text is available. If there is associated data, you can also apply that. Right. Look at this. So you can just keep on narrowing down, and you have 0 or maybe 4 articles in that range. So this is how you can narrow down your research. Let me take care of these filters, and I'll show you the next step what you can do. And then based on the type of articles, you can also filter them out. If you want just to see review articles or systematic reviews, you can also filter them out. And then if you are not happy with the filters, you can just reset all the filters, and then you can see all the data over here, right? Now, if you're writing one particular research article or review articles, then you want to search the area. So if I'm writing something on antibiotic resistance, resistant genes, so I can type like this, and then you can see how many articles they just came out. So it will be difficult for me to screen out all the more than 50,000 articles. So I have to narrow it down. First thing what I'll do is I'll just narrow it down to the first or the latest 5 years data, and then it narrow it down to 18,000 articles, right? So this is how you can do based on this. You can also narrow it down. You can apply Boolean operators. You can type and, or, all those things you can apply, and then it will be, for example, you want to find out antibiotic resistant genes in E. coli only, then you can just narrow it down. This is how you can do, and you can sort it based on most recent publication date or first author. You can do most recent, so it will be organized according to the date, right? So you'll get the most recent over here. So this will be again very convenient, and you can download all the articles if you want to. Also download the information and the citations. What you can do is, one thing I've already shown you, that you can just download the CSV file and citation will be there. If you want to download the individual citations, so what you can do is you just click on the article that you are interested in, then you will see something like this. So that article, the title, authors over here, affiliation, if you want to see affiliation is also there, and then abstract is also given. Here you will get the site tab. If you click on the site, this you can directly copy, which I don't recommend. You can download various formats, right? You have APA format, MLA format. You can download these formats according to your requirement, and you can download the NBIB file over here, and then it will be there. If you click on this one, this will have all the information that you require, and you can use this file for the citation in your articles, and then you can control all the parameters, and you can also control the formats. So this is very, very convenient, and you can use Mendeley to import the citations in your articles, and you can use this file will work for you, and you can directly change the format because all the information is already there. You can even change, if you want to have APA format, you can see how it is changing, right? Based on the format, it's up to you. Correct. Now you can see this is what you get. You get affiliation, you get UI number also. And if you want to get the article, as you can see over here, the article is not available, so you don't have the link to go to the journal website. But if it is available, let me show you if one of the article that was published by me in the area of biofilm inhibition. The article was published in ACS Omega. So you can see over here, it's available on PMC. The free full text is available. It's also available on the journal website. So you can just click over here and directly go to the journal website, where you can see this article, and then this is the title, and you can see how many article views are there, how many citations are there. It's pretty latest, so few number of citations are there. If you're working in the area of biofilm inhibition, you should definitely read the article and then see what we have covered in this one. If you want to download this, you can directly click on the PDF over here. It will be downloaded. It will take obviously take some time, and you can see ACS Omega gives you a lot of convenient way to actually see the summary of the article. And then in here you can see the article. You can just scroll down and you will see everything what is there in this article, and the article is available, so you can also download this, right? So this is how you can download the articles if the text is available. If the text is available, and you can use the information, read the information in your and you can use the information in your research articles, review articles, and with proper citations, obviously, right? Okay, so let's go back to the PubMed. So I think this is how you can control the information. Here what you see is figures separately. You can also see the references, and if you want to see all the references, you can click on this one, and then some of the basic information is already available. You can also navigate to various sections, various statements from the right side. You can also share these in the social media profile, and it's also very important to share the research that you have done, so that people can read the research and advance the knowledge in that area. You can also do the citation that we have already covered, right? You can just copy it or download it in the format and then open it with any reference formatting software like Mendeley. Okay, so we can go back to PubMed. You can just directly click over here and just type the name of the article, author, and then you can just do the literature search according to your preferences. Another thing is you can also log in. So if you have PubMed ID, you can log in over here, and then whatever you want to do, if you do in that specific domain, it will be more personalized, and you will get specific recommendation for the research that you often do. Next is you can also download app is already available. You can also download the application, mobile application of PubMed, and then it will be very convenient for you to read the articles very quickly on your phone, right? So I think this is pretty basic information on PubMed, and this will help you how you can use PubMed, how you can filter out the information, how you can read the results section, how you can export and email the result section. And then you have to keep using PubMed to understand more options that are available in the PubMed, and that will help you to understand PubMed better, and it will definitely help you to refine the data that you're using in your research articles. And PubMed is one of the important database for biomedical research, so you can't ignore this one, right? So definitely please use this one. There are other databases that you can use. Google Scholar is also there, and if you want to use the information that is not related to life sciences or it's not related to biomedical sciences, you can also use other research engines. All right, so I think that is good enough for today. We have covered the presentation and basic significance of the PubMed, and we have also done the hands-on tutorial. I hope that this video will help you to understand PubMed better, and you will use PubMed more frequently. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, and also share the video with your friends. If you have any doubts, any questions, then please put the questions in the comment section. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.